Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Printing photos or documents directly from your phone to your Canon 2025 can be incredibly convenient. Forget about needing a computer or transferring files, because there's one incredibly reliable method. This guide shows you the single best way to connect your smartphone, making printing quick and simple. You will be amazed at how easily you can send your cherished memories or important papers straight to your printer, all with just a few taps on your screen. It's the ultimate hassle-free solution for your printing needs. Before we begin printing, ensure your Canon 2025 is properly set up. First, turn on your printer and check that it's successfully connected to your home Wi-Fi network. This step is crucial for establishing a connection with your phone. Next, head over to your phone's App Store and download the Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie application. It's the official app from Canon, designed specifically for seamless mobile printing, and it's completely free to use. With the app downloaded and your printer ready, open the Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie application on your phone. The app will usually prompt you to add or select a printer. Tap this option and ensure your phone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer. The app should automatically detect your Canon 2025. Simply select it from the list of discovered printers, and the connection will be established within moments. Now for the exciting part, printing your content. Once your printer is connected, navigate through the app to choose what you want to print. You can select photos directly from your phone's gallery, documents from your files, or even web pages. After choosing your item, you'll see various print settings. Take a moment to adjust options like paper size, print quality, or the number of copies. When everything looks perfect, simply tap the print button. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, double-check that both your Canon 2025 printer and your smartphone are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. Sometimes, a quick restart of both your printer and your phone can resolve connection glitches. Remember, using the official Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie app is truly the most reliable and recommended way to achieve seamless printing from your phone to your Canon 2025. Enjoy the convenience of mobile printing. It will save you so much time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.